Hey everyone! Today we're going to show you how to fix your UGREEN power bank if it's not charging properly. If your power bank isn't working as expected, don't worry. There are a few simple steps you can try to get it working again. First, check your charging adapter and device compatibility. Make sure the adapter you're using supports the required output, especially if you're using fast charging. Ideally, you want something around 65 to 70 watts. Try charging different devices with the power bank to figure out if the issue lies with the power bank itself or the device you're trying to charge. This can save you a lot of guessing and help pinpoint the problem quickly. Next, inspect the battery health of your power bank. Batteries naturally degrade over time, so check for any signs of damage like swelling, cracks, or unusual heat. If it's charging slower than it used to or not holding a charge for long, the battery may be wearing out and might need replacement. It's also a good idea to store your power bank in a cool, dry place, as heat can speed up battery degradation. Also, make sure you're using the correct ports. Some UGREEN power banks have multiple ports, but not all of them support the same charging speeds. The USB-C port, especially the one labeled for input and not output or fast charging, is usually the one you want to use. If your power bank still isn't charging properly, try switching to a different port to see if that resolves the issue. You can also try using a different cable, as damaged or low quality cables can sometimes prevent proper charging. Another quick tip is to avoid using the power bank while it's charging, as some models may not handle simultaneous charging and discharging well. If none of these steps work, it might be time to reach out to UGREEN support. They can let you know about any model-specific issues and provide further troubleshooting steps. If your power bank is still under warranty, they might even offer a replacement. And that's it. You can usually get your UGREEN power bank charging properly again, or at least know when it's time to seek support. Taking good care of your battery can extend its lifespan and prevent future charging problems. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips. Happy tech using!